In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Amex Personal Savings account. First, let's open a web browser and type American Express into the search bar. Once you've done that, hit enter and you'll see a list of search results. You should aim for the link titled American Express Credit Cards, Rewards, and Banking. Clicking this will direct you to the American Express homepage, which is where you'll begin the login process for your personal savings account. Now that we're on the American Express site, look around the main page until you spot an option labeled High Yield Savings. This part is crucial because it will take you straight to the services focused on managing your savings. Click on that option and you'll be redirected to a page that provides detailed information on savings accounts. Don't be overwhelmed by additional options and information. Stay focused on getting to the login section. Once you're on the high yield savings page, keep your eyes peeled for a button that says Open an Account. Although it might seem like you're starting a new account, this button is your gateway to the login section as well. Go ahead and click it and you'll find yourself closer to accessing your personal savings information. Next, you'll want to locate the Login button, which will be readily visible on this page. Clicking it will spring up a login form where you need to provide your user credentials. As you prepare to input your details, remember to have your user ID and password handy. Begin by typing your user ID in the designated field. If it's been a while since your last login, take a moment to ensure you've entered it correctly, as mistakes here can lead to unnecessary frustration. With your user ID in place, move on to the next field to enter your password. Be cautious here, especially if you're accessing your account in a public setting. Remember to shield your screen from prying eyes. Typing your password accurately is essential, so double check to avoid any login hiccups. If your account gives you the option to choose the account type, make sure you select the appropriate one, whether it's for savings or any other type you hold. This ensures that you'll be interacting with the correct set of options once logged in. One convenient feature you might want to consider is the Remember Me option. Clicking this can save your login credentials for future logins, but weigh its uses carefully. If you're on a personal device, it's highly practical, yet if you're on a shared or public computer, opting out would be the safer choice. Finally, after everything is set, hit the Login button. Congratulations, you should now have access to your Amex Personal Savings account dashboard, allowing you to review your finances and manage your account as needed. Thank you for following along and happy banking.